Alright, good evening, everybody. Sorry, please. I want to do a video on structure and I want you to really follow me very carefully. So, you follow me very, very carefully, and I trust that we will understand. Now, there are two types or three basic types of structure. We have a cell structure, we have a bistructure, and we have a consolidating, market. Those are the basic three. Now I'm going to demonstrate each one of it for you. It's left for you to go into the chart. I will still show you on chart so that you know how structure plays, and then how to know when a structure changes. Okay. So now, when you say something is on a downtrend, it means price kept coming down. See the diagram I'm drawing on the board. Price kept coming down, and according to everybody, they believe that this is called an high and this is a low, and because this high is lower than this, they said is what, lower high, and because this low here is lower than this, they said is what, lower low. The same thing, lower high. This one is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then lower low. So this is what traders called typical, you know, um, down structure, like a cell structure. So this is a cell structure. Now, when price start doing this, you know that price is already trending, downward. So this is what it means when we are told that price is a sell trend. Now, sorry about that. I'm going to demonstrate a buy trend, so that a buy structure, so that you can have an idea of what we are talking about. When we say price is buying, it means price kept going up and it kept going up and it kept going up. So they said this is a low and this is a high, and because this low is higher than this, they call it higher what, low, and they call this one higher high, because this high is higher than this. So the higher that is higher than the high, this one is also higher low, higher high, higher low, and then higher high. So when you see something like this, then it means price is in an uptrend. Price is in an uptrend. Price is in an uptrend. So let's go to the chart and let's see what we have there. Let me start from this, this place. I'll start from here so that we can grab what I'm talking about. So now, this is price around here. It came down, went up. Now, typically for us, price does this, then retraces a little bit, then create another high. So that means price is on a buy trend. Came down again, create another high. So price is also on a downtrend. So I've demonstrated to you. This is a low, a high, and higher low, higher high, then higher low, higher high, higher high. Do you understand? So you've seen this is a typical uptrend. Now let me wait first, and then let me explain what it means for a structure to change. Now let's say price has been going up. Price has been going up like this, and it has been creating this kind of move, and suddenly price decide to break the last low that was created. Immediately this happened in the market, you know that price has changed structure. So the structure that is a buy has been violated, because for it to remain a buy structure, it shouldn't break the previous higher lows. It should not break below it. It should not break below it. But as soon as it breaks below it, the structure has been violated from being a buy to a sell. So now what we expect to see is something like this, a continuation of that. So it price is supposed to now be creating a lower low and then a lower high. Do you understand? So that's what we expect price to continue doing. I believe this is understandable. So now let me go back to the chart. So this is what we see. We see this, and then suddenly price came and then broke this place. Some people call it change of character, that's CHOCH. Some people call it BMS, break of market structure. Some people call it BOS. Some people, that's BOS is break of structure. So anyone you decide to call it is your own this thing. And then price broke down and then came up, and you see price has been going down since then. Price has been going down since what? Then. And price never broke the previous lower high. So that's what you should take cognizance of. Price never broke the previous lower high. So sorry. So this is what we are seeing. What we are seeing. So this is what we have been seeing. Price was supposed to create a low here, but remember this was the last high that was created, the last lower high, and price has not broken above it, but price came and then price just kept bouncing around this range here. So now we cannot decide, okay, let me use a line, an horizontal line, to show you this is the high. Sorry about that. And this is my own low here. You understand? So unless price breaks this low or this price closes below this, then I will be consider this place as a high. But until then, this place is still my high. Do you understand? That's for me. I use the candle wick also to determine my break of structure for me anyway. So this place is the last high. So and then this place is the last good low. All right, for me anyway. Some persons might have said it's a break of structure, but for me this is what I stick with. So after marking this, I know that price is supposed to retrace, but then I wouldn't be expecting price to break above this place. If price breaks above here, it means we have what? A break of structure. Structure had changed to a buy, and then we expect something like this to continue happening. Do you understand? So that's what structure is all about. You don't need to stress yourself about what structure is, but it's one of the things you need to really know, and it's very simple to know. I'm not teaching you how to take trades yet. I want you to understand structure, and then take your time with structure, and then it will truly help. It will really help you build your confidence in trading. So structure is very important. Let me check one more asset. Maybe this one is crash 500. Let me see B500. Now this is B500. Let me start from here. Let me just start this daily. I'm seeing something like this. Then price broke up. Now a lot of persons will be considering this place. They'll be considering this low, but I did not, because it didn't close above this high. So price came here and then broke up. So I'm expecting price to change character here. Do you understand? So all this move here are just, they are just there. I can still take trades there, but they are just there for me. So price came, did this, then went up, did this, then went up, then changed character here. It changed character here. So now I expect price to continue what? Selling. And price has been what? Selling since then. Price has been selling since then. And then suddenly around here, price had to break. So okay, price came down here. So let me clean it again. See, this is it. Because this low here was the last low, and this didn't close up below it, then I won't consider it. So I'll just wait for price to. So this is what I'm expecting, and then price broke structure here. So price had been going up since then. So this one is just maybe a short sale or so, but then let me leave it there for you. So you just need to understand structure, and then ensure that your structure is from higher time frame, at least for a beginner. Start understanding structure from the higher time frame perspective. It will really do you a lot of good. Yeah, it will do you a lot of good. It will do you a lot of good. So these are the assets that are available for trading. Just go through them, try it on other assets, see how fast or how good it works, and then you can start focusing on other things. Cheers, and God bless, guys. God bless. God bless.